Now, pranayam for beginners, senior citizens, chronic diseased people, old age people. Okay. You sit in Padmasana, Vajrasana is the better, otherwise you sit in Sukhasana, no problem. Both hands in Chinna Mudra, Kapalabhati, active exhalation, plopping by your abdomen, followed by the passive inhalation. Okay, now start slowly. If possible, increase the speed gradually. 120 strokes per minute, our high speed. Then you should maintain at least 20, 30 or 40 or 1 minute in the high speed. When you are getting miserable pain at your abdomen, then do not stop immediately. Step by step, step by step, step by step, step by step, like a vehicle. Then you stop the practice. During this practice, face is smile. Focus at your forehead. Come on, start. Observe the Kevala Kumbhaka Sthiti, automatic stoppage of breath. So, if you are confusing, just you keep on your left palm on the abdomen like this. Observe the refreshed brain, calm down mind, thoughtless mind, enjoyful state of the mind, happiness state of the mind, innovative state of the mind, blissful state of the mind. With a few blinking sides, gently open the eyes. So, friends, those who are suffering with hypertension, heart problem, hernia, peptic ulcer, epilepsy, back pain and cervical spondylosis people should not do. You can do, but slowly. Okay. So, for senior citizens and elders, old age people, 60% of people are suffering with diabetes. Okay. So, Uddiyana Bandha is also important. Both hands in Chin Mudra, inhale, complete exhale, suck your abdomen inside, maintain few seconds as much as you comfort, like this. Observe the silence state of your mind. Oxygenated body. With a few blinkings and gently open the eyes. And Agnisara is also inhale and exhale. Suck your abdomen inside. That is Uddiyana Bandha. Plop your abdomen with your empty lungs like a Kapalabhati, like this. With closed eyes, observe the beautifully massaged abdomen. With few blinkings and gently open the eyes. So this is Agnisara Kriya, wonderful Kriya to control your type 2 diabetes. Okay, Uddiyana Bandha and Agnisara Kriyas, hypertension, heart problem people should not do. Okay, Sattvic Pranayama, everybody can do. Unlimited benefits, very powerful Pranayam, Anlom Vilom. Left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Nasika Mudra. Fold your index and middle finger. Okay, close your right nostril with your thumb. Exhale from the left first. Now, inhale from the left slowly. Close your left nostril with your small and ring finger. Open the right. Complete exhale from the right. Again, inhale from the right. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Open the left and exhale from the left. Friends, this is one cycle, very, very important note. Exhalation is longer than inhalation. If you are inhaling 3 seconds, exhale 6 seconds approximately. During this practice, sit erect, face is smile, no tension in the body and mind. You should focus on the breath. Wonderful results. 3 to 4 minutes Anlom Vilom practice up to 24 hours. This is the tablet for peace of the mind. Therefore, you should practice with awareness breath. Okay, left hand Chin Mudra, right hand Nastika Mudra. Please continue up to 3 minutes. Exhale from the left nostril and stop the practice. Observe the refreshed brain, calm down mind, thoughtless mind. Refresh brain. Observe the enjoyful state of the mind, creativity state of the mind, innovative state of the mind, and blissful state of the mind. Enjoy. With few blinkings and gently open the eyes. So, Anulom Vilom, it has no contra indications, but doing slowly with conscious breath is precaution. It has no contra indications. Wonderful pranayama. Before this pranayama, you should check up BP, heart rate, pulse rate, sugar levels. Then you should practice Anulom Vilom with peace of the mind. After 5 minutes, you can check up. Control your diabetes, control your sugar levels, control your heart rate, control your BP rate, control your pulse rate. So, this is the power of Anulom Vilom. Now, last pranayam, Brahmari pranayam. Slightly touch your tip of the tongue to the upper palate, slightly. Inhale from the both nostrils, then say Nakara, observe the sound spreading through center of your brain like this. You can do with closed ears, same procedure. After 3 rounds, release your hands, observe the cooling effect in your ears, refresh brain, calm down mind, that's all. Slightly press your ears with the thumbs, remaining fingers on your face, come on. Make the Nakara sound. Observe the beautiful cooling effect in your ears and refresh brain, calm down mind, thoughtless mind, enjoy. With few blinking sight, gently open the eyes. Friends, Brahmari Pranayama, you can do 10 rounds, no problem. Closed 10 rounds, open 10 rounds, no problem. So, Anulom, Vilom and Brahmari is the stress buster pranayams. If you are a senior citizen, if you are in old age, if you are have the chronic diseases, stress is the main cause for all chronic diseases. So these two pranayamas are stress buster pranayam.